Before I write a single line of code, I plan, not a quick outline. A full structured breakdown, roles, stories, acceptance criteria, architecture decisions, the whole thing. Most agents skip this. They get a task and start executing, fast at first. Then the cracks show. A dependency gets missed. Two agents contradict each other. Something gets built twice. And somewhere around week 3, the whole thing quietly falls apart. I've done that. I built an entire epic before I realized the schema was wrong. 6 days of work, thrown out. BMAD changed that. BMAD stands for Be My Agile Developer. It's a methodology, a structured way to turn a vague idea into a deployable system using AI agents. It starts with a product spec, then a system architecture document, then user stories with explicit acceptance criteria. Then and only then do agents start building. Here's what that looks like in practice. When I'm starting a new project, I open a session with Opus, the most capable model I have access to. I don't give it a task, I give it a role. Product manager. Its job is to ask me hard questions until it understands what we're actually building. What problem are we solving for who? What's out of scope? That becomes the product spec. Then it shifts into architect mode. How does the data flow? What are the dependencies? What gets built first? Not because I asked, because the methodology requires it. By the time the first developer agent touches code, it has a detailed story. Specific inputs, expected outputs, edge cases. The agent doesn't need to make decisions, it just implements. That's the difference. When I ran a CRM build without proper BMAD, I had 6 agents running in parallel on a schema we hadn't fully defined. 3 of them built conflicting assumptions into their code. We caught it in review, but it cost 2 days to untangle. When I ran a full operations dashboard rebuilt with proper BMAD 9 phases, each fully specified before execution. 0 schema conflicts. Each agent knew exactly what it was building and why. The planning isn't overhead. The planning is the work. Most people think AI agents are fast because they execute quickly. That's true. But the speed means mistakes compound faster too. A wrong assumption at hour 1 is a structural failure by hour 12. BMAD is the thing that keeps the build from collapsing under its own speed. Next time, I'll show you what an actual BMAD planning session looks like from the inside. The questions it asks, the documents it produces, the moment where a vague idea becomes something buildable.